Hi everyone, and this is Dr. Raman, and I'm very glad and grateful to share about my experience of the workshop conducted by Moonstar, Diksha, and Shakti. Slow of the day was amazing, like the five element connection, followed by a very yummy, healthy breakfast. I got to know about how tasty a fruit breakfast can be. I am already on a plant based diet for the last several months, and many days I've been forcing myself to have those fruits in the morning. But the way Moon does it, and she makes it so tasty, and you feel like having it more. Like I was the only one who had almost two balls.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾਮੀ ਸੀ ਡੇਟ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਪਲੇਟ ਵਾਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਫੈਸੀਨੇਟਿੰਗ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਾਂ ਡੇਟ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ।
मुझे मज़ा इस बात का कि ग्लूटेन फ्री इतनी अच्छी ट्रीट पहली बार देख रही हूँ मैं अपने डायग्नोस के बाद।
And what is best for our body, and the fresh foods, and everything, how to cook without even using any heat or gas. That was just amazing. I never expected it, though I had heard about it. But then she did it in front of us, and she offered us to eat also and to bring it home also. So it was just amazing the way she used peanuts for making gravy, and she used ginger and tomato juice, and she cooked them all just without any fat, and then barley also. I had this experience for the first time.
We time simply flew by, and I'd also say that all the co-participants, all of them were so cordial, so affectionate, and everyone was so eager to learn. The timing was till 1 p.m. and it was 3:30, and we still were there. Due to that ambience, due to that knowledge, due to that wisdom, and we were so comfortable that we were not, we never felt like leaving the place. And the association which we had, that brief association of half a day, but amazing connect which I felt especially. Still, my taste buds are asking for more.